Good morning, dear students. Again, we are back with the topic of immunology, that is semester third part. We have two papers in this semester itself. They are now merged as according to the new syllabus. One will be immunology, the other will be clinical microbiology, and as according to the syllabus, the initial part will always be immunology. So let us understand today some of the organs of the immune system. Last time we have seen the normal flora of the human body, and now we turn our attention towards the organs of the immune system. So what are the different organs that are present in the immune system and what are the functional roles? Let us understand in that way. Now, if you just analyze this particular kind of figure, this figure will tell you that the organs that have been marked are all organs which are helpful for protection of the body. Correct? म्हणजे काय की प्रत्येक वेळेस आपल्या बॉडीमध्ये येणारा जे काही अँटीजन किंवा जो काही मार्कर असणार आहे जो आतमध्ये येत आहे तो कुठे ना कुठे थांबवला गेला पाहिजे, कुठे ना कुठे त्याला ब्लॉक बसला पाहिजे. अँड इन दॅट वे दीज ऑर्गन्स आर सेड टू बी व्हेरी मच फंक्शनल. These organs will be helpful for protecting the body from those particular antigens or disease causing entities that are coming inside the human body. Now what are these organs? And these organs have been classified into two types called as primary and secondary lymphoid organs. Primary maturation of lymphocyte, thymus and bone marrow. These are the two organs which are helpful or which are said to be primary lymphoid organs. Thymus and the bone marrow. So if you just see this figure, the primary figure, where is the thymus? Thymus is located just above the heart, correct? And the bone marrow you can easily see. This is the bone marrow. The bone marrow may be anywhere here inside the shoulder or so and so forth. This is the representation where the bone marrow actually is. Secondary trap antigen allow interaction with lymphocytes, lymphoid organs and spleen. So what are the lymphoid organs? Different lymphoid organs are also present. Lymph nodes are present over here inside the lower shoulder, and spleen is present just below the heart. Okay. So this will be the position of the secondary lymphoid organs. Malt and gall will also be present. Malt will be mucosal associated lymphocytes and gall will be gut associated. So this is the thymocyte that die here, and actually this diagram will tell us that the various different cells which are present inside the body have different interactions towards the incoming antigens. So lack of functional thymus, many fewer circulating T lymphocyte, no cell mediated immunity, increased susceptibility to viral and fungal infections. Aging causes decline in thymus function. So thymus, जर thymus आपल्या बॉडीमध्ये जर अवेलेबल नसेल तर सहज चांगल्यारीत्या बाहेरचे अँटीजेन्स आपल्या बॉडीमध्ये येऊ शकतात and they can have a counter attack on the human body. Secondary lymphoid tissues, lymphoid follicles, primary resting B cells and APCs, and second proliferating B cells. हे वेगवेगळे सेल आणि सेल टाइप्स आहेत की ज्या सेल टाइप्स त्या ठिकाणी अवेलेबल असतात and they start proliferating or they start multiplicating in that way. Lymph nodes and spleen are the most organized. हे बघा सेक्शन आहे हा lymph nodeचा, कशाला वेगवेगळ्या वेसल्स तिथे आपल्याला दिसतात, सेल्स दिसतात आणि अँटीजन आल्यानंतर त्याचं किलिंग याच्या प्रकारे होते. Spleen. Lymphoid nodes trap circulating antigens exchange between lymphatic vessels and blood. Spleen filters antigens from blood. Organization of spleen: red pulp, old RBCs and macrophages; white pulp, marginal zone B cells; pulse, that is surrounding of artery and contain T cells. T cells are activated first. Okay. So these are the organization of the spleen. If you just see here, there is the structure of the spleen, and the structure will be based on various different organs or various suborgans that are where primary follicles are present over there, and inside the white pulp the antigens can be easily trapped and they can be neutralized. Malt, tonsils, Peyer's patches, appendix, these are intraepithelial lymphocytes. T cells have unusual receptors. M cells deliver antigens to the immune system. So this malt will be helpful for presenting the antigen to the immunological systems. Bear in mind. See this. The antigen, when it is being trapped inside, the other cells of the body will help that antigen to present it to the immunological systems, and based on that, the consequences of the immunological system will start to elicit. Skin, primary barrier, remember, also has some specialized cells, keratinocytes that can produce cytokines and can express MSC class 2, Langerhans cells, APCs, lymphocyte seems to have limited reproductive level alternative to T cells. Okay. So this is how a particular functional level activity can be done with the help of the organs of the immune system. So what we have learned today? We have learned a part which is associated with the organs of the immune system, and the organs, what are the different organs that we have seen today? Maybe large intestine also, appendix also, bone marrow, tissue lymphatic. These are all different cells and organs of the immune systems which are helpful for clearly binding of that antigen and removal of that antigen. Okay? But कसं होतं ना, एखादा अँटीजेन आपल्या बॉडीमध्ये येतो, बॉडीमध्ये आल्यानंतर त्या अँटीजेनच्या अगेन्स्टमध्ये आपण कशा प्रकारे बॉडी त्याला इंटरॅक्ट करते किंवा बॉडी त्याच्याशी इंटरॅक्शन करते, हा सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचा पार्ट. जर बॉडीने प्रॉपरली इंटरॅक्ट केलं तर आपल्याला इन्फेक्शन्स होत नाही, पण जर बॉडीनी प्रॉपरली इंटरॅक्शन बॉडीचं जर झालेलं नसेल तर ॲट दॅट टाइम दी सेल्स ऑफ द इम्युन सिस्टम विल नॉट बी एबल टू वर्क. पण आपल्याला इतकं छान बॉडीची आपल्याला रचना दिलेली आहे, देवान जे काही आपल्याला जे घडवलं असणार आहे त्या बॉडीच्या रचनेमध्येच सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचा पार्ट असतो की त्या बॉडीचा टॉप टू बॉटम, राईट फ्रॉम हेअर टू द टोज, हे सगळं जरी आपण बघितलं तर याच्यामध्ये येणारा अँटीजेन कुठून जरी आला तरी त्याच्याशी काउंटरॅक्ट करण्याची ताकद ही पर्टिक्युलर या सेल्स आणि जे ऑर्गन्स आहेत, बेसिकली दीज आर ऑल ऑर्गन्स आर सेट टू बी प्रोटेक्टिव्ह ऑर्गन्स. ते प्रोटेक्टिव्ह ऑर्गन्स आपण म्हटलं जातं, अँड दीज प्रोटेक्टिव्ह ऑर्गन्स विल बी हेल्पफुल फॉर द किलिंग ऑफ दोज पर्टिक्युलर काइंड ऑफ सेल्स ऑफ द इम्युन सिस्टम. करेक्ट. सो आजचं लेक्चर आपलं जे होतं ते सगळं सेल्स ऑर्गन्स ऑफ द इम्युन सिस्टमवरती होतं. नेक्स्ट टाइम we'll start our lecture. At that time we'll try to continue with some different aspects in terms of immunology. Thank you.